Welcome to NeuroLux Finance OS, your ADHD-friendly finance companion, designed to help you manage money with less stress and more clarity. You can begin with sample data for a guided preview, or start fresh and build your personal finance workspace from scratch. Next, personalize your space by entering your name, choosing your preferred currency, and selecting an avatar that feels like you. The dashboard gives you a complete financial overview at a glance, including your ADHD focus score, payment streak, today's priority bill, safe-to-spend balance, upcoming commitments, active goals, and monthly spending breakdown. It also keeps motivation high with rewards, XP progress, and a visual financial journey that turns everyday money management into clear, achievable steps. Use Quick Add to instantly create bills, accounts, goals, transfers, add funds, or make credit card payments without leaving the dashboard. You can also install NeuroLux Finance as a standalone app for faster access and continued offline use from your desktop or device. Focus mode removes distractions and highlights only your most urgent bills, so you can handle one priority at a time without feeling overwhelmed. Each payment can be completed directly from this screen, while your active streak keeps the experience motivating and focused. The Bills and Due section organizes every recurring bill by status, category, amount, and due date, so you can quickly see what is overdue, upcoming, or already paid. You can search, filter, edit, and record payments directly from each bill card, while overdue reminders help you catch up without losing momentum. Cash flow calculates your real safe-to-spend balance after upcoming bills and planned savings, while showing monthly income, expenses, and net cash flow. The chart and recent activity feed make it easy to see exactly where money is coming from and where it is going. Transactions gives you a complete record of money added, paid, saved, and moved, with clear totals for money in, money out, transfers, and net movement. Use the chart, search, date range, and transaction filters to quickly understand and review every financial activity. Accounts brings your bank balances, cash, credit card liabilities, and total net worth together in one clear financial snapshot. Goals turn saving into a motivating visual journey, letting you track progress, add funds, and earn XP as you move closer to each target. Rewards and XP turn financial progress into a motivating game, with ranks, streaks, badges, and achievements that keep you moving forward. Analytics turns your real transaction and payment history into clear insights on spending, savings, streaks, and financial focus. The built-in guide provides clear, step-by-step instructions for setting up your profile, managing bills, understanding scores and rewards, tracking cash flow, and building savings goals. Finally, Settings lets you personalize your profile, currency, avatar, audio, motion preferences, bill reminders, and local backup options in one place. With NeuroLux Finance OS, you can manage bills, accounts, savings, and financial progress in a system designed to keep your brain focused, motivated, and in control. Built by Visual Booster Studio.